Imagine that you have got this text from ChatGPT, and if you try to check the AI, and it's going to provide this kind of AI probability, which is 47. So sometimes you might have, maybe let's say I need you to write the importance of support. And this is going to be giving you maybe 100% of AI content detection, but you need to understand, or you need to know how you can be able to humanize this content so that it will be looking like it's from personally generated. So what I'm gonna do is to be come in here and paste it. If I paste it, I come across this section and I check for AI. So if I check, you can see I have the AI probability for 71%. And now let's say if I want to be humanizing this text so that it will be looking like it's from human, I have to click on this button which is called Humanize. I have now to come and verify. So let's put drag this and drop it here. It is gonna be coming here, and after all I will check here. You can see the humanizing context or humanized content. This is now 100% of AI free text. I can even copy this, and if I copy this and try to check it somewhere else, for instance, let's use this one, which is called truly undetectable. So undetectable AI. So what I did is to check for AI. So, and you can see now it is going to show me 79%, which is like a human, which is different from the previous one where it was showing me that 71% is an AI. So what you need to understand is that even though it is showing 100% on here on this thief, it is not going to be perfect 100%. You need to use different tools to be able to understand that the context or the text is not written for AI. Sometimes depends on the tool, is going to be showing you that is not AI written, but also other tools will be showing you that is already written AI. But you need to check and understand how these things work. Remember, these are all tools, and we're going to be paraphrasing automatically or using AI also to write the context or to paraphrase the text. You need to understand the context in which these texts are being written or being rewritten, and also this will be helping you to understand or to decide which tool you can be able to use, either AI or either rewriting or humanizing your AI context. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. Also remember to like this video, channel fans, and turn on the bell button so as you always notified when I upload new video at No Max TV.